Hi, my name is Manish Mehta from Broadcom's Optical Systems Division. We're very excited about what's been announced on the progress for co-packaged optics this year at OFC. When we launched our CPO activities at Broadcom, the initial intent was to bring down the power. But what we've learned over the last few years is that by taking this highly integrated architecture, working with foundries and OSATs on high volume manufacturing processes that have already deployed at scale on CMOS chips, and integrating that into a platform for back-end integration into systems, which leverages what has been worked on for years in the system industry, you can deliver extremely high performance and reliable optical links using CPO, such that the actual RAS performance, the term that's kind of very du jour right now at the show, the reliability, the availability, and the serviceability can be far superior for CPO than it is for pluggable optics. For these data centers that are running AI training with hundreds of thousands to millions of XPUs or GPUs, a single link flap can generate massive inefficiency in the uptime of the GPUs. By trying to take these CPO solutions and deploy them at scale with the kind of results we're now seeing on the link flap performance and the uncorrectable error performance, we should be able to significantly improve the uptime of GPUs, the availability of the network, and significantly improve the efficiency of AI training runs.